Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Zoho Projects milestones for client-ready delivery dates, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To update Zoho Projects milestones for client-ready delivery dates, start by logging into your Zoho project. Navigate to the project you want to update. On the project dashboard, locate the Milestones tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the Milestones tab to view all existing milestones associated with the project. Identify the milestone you need to update. Click on the milestone name to open its details. In the milestone details, locate the Edit button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Edit button to enter the editing mode. You will see fields to update the milestone name, date, and other Update the milestone date to reflect the new client-ready delivery date. Make sure to review any descriptions or associated tasks for accuracy. Once you have made all necessary updates, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to apply your changes and update the milestone. After saving, confirm the milestone appears with the updated date on your project dashboard. Repeat this process for any other milestones that require updating. Review the overall project timeline to ensure all milestones align with the new delivery dates. Communicate these updates to your team and stakeholders as needed. Your Zoho Projects milestones are now successfully updated for client-ready delivery dates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.